Welcome back to Noviland. It's another beautiful day in paradise. I just returned from Chicago, where I redid some training. It was part 2 of level 7, live with Kevin Trudeau. And having already done level 7 some years ago, I was able to compare. Dr. Tom had done the original training, Dr. Tom Mortar, and he did a great job. Dr. Tom was essentially doing what Kevin had taught him to do, so view this as being closer to the source of the knowledge, if such a thing is possible. Nevertheless, it was great training, and we confronted every aspect of ourselves. And for some, this could be hard training. In fact, having already completed level 8, I will still say level 7 part 2 is probably the most difficult training in the club. It's also in a lot of ways the most rewarding. It's beyond shadow work, beyond anything close to that. But it was a beautiful experience. Now I'm back, and it's warmer. It was snowing there. It's warm here back in Kentucky. It's about 60 degrees, give or take. Sun is shining. Birds are singing. Lawn is growing again. You're gonna have to mow soon. And being able to confront all aspects of ourselves in such a way really helps when things in life come at us. And things in life will always come at us, unexpected things. Some we perceive as not so good. And being able to confront that from a position of strength head on, really look at it and see that most of the time it was nothing. It was just the way we thought about it and the way we felt about it. Sure, there's some challenges are going to be more challenging than others. But if you really are able to have that confidence, not be triggered, allow yourself to come from a position of strength, it's amazing what you could achieve. It's amazing how you will see things. And the perspective shift and the opportunities and things that should have been difficult are just opportunities for us to learn, grow, and get further along in our journey. And you never know where your journey will take you. It could take you to some beautiful place, like this trail. It keeps going further on into the woods. But I'm happy. I'm happy I'm home. Happy I was able to see my friends. Happy I was able to spend time with my family. Happy I still got food on my table, roof over my head, and figuring it out. Some things are a bit more challenging for me, and I haven't overcome or figured out every challenge that I have facing me, but I'm confident that I can. I know it'll work out. It always works out. I've always found a way for things to work out even when I couldn't see the end. It always has. So yeah, I've been taking a little break from the videos lately, and I hope to be able to get back onto there, have some good content, some mindful content, some music, maybe some gin stuff. Got Dream Weekend coming up in a little over a month. And as always, the best is yet to come. Love you all. Wish you were here.